Contemplating easy ways to earn money online? This video is made just for you. Amazon is a moneymaker for SMEs and individual entrepreneurs looking to pull their weight in e-commerce. Now, what better platform can there be to use other than the world's biggest online shopping platform? Amazon has more than enough interfaces to help you make money online, and we are considering one of them. Are you aware that you can get remote jobs on Amazon? Surprised? We're going to enlighten you more on this right now. It seems like getting jobs from Amazon appears to be a little-known fact, and that's why you don't hear people talking about it. We're looking at the opportunity to earn at least $100 per day and over $5,000 per month, depending on how much you can leverage Amazon. If you look at it from this angle, there is no betting against Jeff Bezos and his Amazon franchise. It's at the peak of the commercial chain, and it keeps getting bigger and better as more customers get enlightened about the benefits of using Amazon's online marketplace. Let's look at number 1. Amazon Jobs website is a great place to seek this kind of job. There are so many jobs you can apply for, ranging from simple desk jobs turned remote to rather technical ones. The first job we will recommend you try out is a role as a customer service associate. The job opening had more than 60 job openings at the time of recording. This meant that about 60 cases needed, and Amazon is seeking to hire anyone qualified for the role. You can deduce why Amazon needs customer service associates. And why does a job have to be remote? Amazon is an extensive online ecosystem, and they always have to deal with customers who have issues that require resolving. It's a stable job given that there is no day when Amazon doesn't make sales, and from such activities there might be some pondering to do, hence the position of customer service personnel to step in. With this role, you can earn above $1,000 per month. The extra perks to this job are that it comes with less risk and is pretty flexible. At number 2, we have the Amazon Mechanical Turk. The platform exists to provide companies access to a readily available workforce. It's a crowdsourcing platform that enables you to register and indicate your specific skills, and you will be added to the job pool for potential hire. You stand to lose nothing, as you do not have to pay any money to be considered. Another work-from-home job by Amazon which you can explore is the Merch by Amazon platform. It simply refers to the process of selling merchandise on Amazon. How does it work? You can create a kind of design using any software and use the website to upload your design. The shirts don't exist at first, just your design. However, when a customer likes a product and adds it to the cart or declares intent to buy it in the product, Amazon proceeds to print your design on the client's chosen t-shirt color. It comes at no cost and less stress at the end, and you also get to earn profit from the sales. Amazon will ship the product without the creator paying a dime. You can use Photoshop, CorelDRAW, or Canva and use it to create a logo or your iconic string of words and sign up on Amazon. It's all risk-free. Next, you can also enjoy Amazon Associates by recommending products on Amazon Associates. The user gets to earn money from any products by clicking or when another person comes in to buy the products. We would recommend that you own your landing page. Check out the website thisiswhyimbroke.com, and when you click on any of the products, it will redirect you straight to Amazon, where you can get a better view of the product. As part of their affiliate marketing program, many businesses have earned thousands of dollars per month. If you have an eye for marketing, you can try out Amazon Affiliates. Even though it is strictly online, you can earn close to $20,000 or more in a single month, depending on how much sales you make. This could be the most significant money-making venture Amazon has to offer, and it is a lot more lucrative than the Amazon Jobs or recommending products via Amazon Associates. You might need to make a form of payment to access the sales funnel, begin to sell products for merchants, and earn your commission. The more you sell, the more you earn. Our testimonials can be found in several customers who have used Amazon as a source of earning via Amazon Associates. Imagine if you own a website and you write informative content. Somewhere in the body of the content, you can slot in a hyperlink to some of Amazon's products that fit the context you want to sell. In a month, you can earn about $6,500 per month. Since we are suggesting means of passive income, you can try your hands as an associate or an affiliate of Amazon, or maybe both. The sixth remote job option you can get with Amazon includes recommending or marketing products on Kindle. We know that Kindle is Amazon's digital products diary, and millions of people pay heavily every day. It simply underlines what kind of goldmine this division of Amazon has become. You cannot afford to miss out on its benefits. You can begin recommending books, both hardcover and soft copy. Millions of users try to publish on Kindle daily, and as you suggest, Amazon tips you off with returns off every book sale on on the platform that can be traced back to you. You don't need any technical skills or go to school to learn just what to do. How do you know the kind of books to sell? Some books are published on a platform that attracts no cost, like they are worth $0. Search for as many of these books as you can find and visit the Amazon website. Register an account on ClickBank. You can recommend those free books on ClickBank and earn money from them. You can make a tremendous profit from your recommendations as sales kick off on the platform. You can do well to sell a book per day and stand a chance to earn about $5,000 per month. Superb! Ever heard of arbitrage? It involves buying some commodities at low prices and reselling them higher. If you understand that, we think our next recommendable jobs you can earn from Amazon will make sense to you. Imagine finding a product worth $100 at a particular online store like Walmart and discovering the same at another platform like eBay, which set the price at $250. You can get the product's image from the lesser priced website and upload it on eBay. At this stage, all you have to do is wait for a sale. At the point of purchase, you get to obtain the buyer's contact. Now, let's say that you earn over $250 from eBay. You can now use the money to buy the product from Walmart at a lower price. It can be deployed easily on Amazon as well. You can flip products from Amazon to eBay and back or on other platforms. Finally, you can render professional services on top freelance platforms like Upwork. Upwork comes highly recommended to both the young and adult-skilled individual looking to enjoy the freedom of freelancing. It has the low-risk nature of a job as a customer service associate and the prospects of recommendations, affiliate marketing, and flipping products from one e-commerce website to another. So, how does this relate to Amazon? You can secure lucrative jobs using Amazon as a keyword to earn a buttload of money. The least you can earn from an Amazon linked job is $100 per hour. You can check these out in your leisure time on Upwork. You can find typical jobs including Amazon photography link optimization, among others. The rate gets higher when you seek jobs like Amazon video making and other positions. You can earn more than $105 per hour. The clients paying you to do jobs like that are sellers just like you are looking to sell products on Amazon. They will pay freelancers a lot of money to design beautiful pictures or create incredible videos that will best sell their market on Amazon. We realize that this is the highest paying job option available to you on Amazon. Feel free to explore the options available to you and begin your journey to earning more money on the side. Check out some other videos on this channel to learn about other passive income sources. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments section below. We'll see you in the next video.